You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 272, or 16.492. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals -9 and y1 equals 4. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals 7 and y2 equals 8. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals -9. x2 equals 7. y1 equals 4. y2 equals 8. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 272, or 16.492.